Hello, guys. This video will show you how to filter your orders in Open Orders in 2 ways. When you want to precisely locate your wanted orders, you can use the Search Order feature. Log into your DSers dashboard and navigate to Open Orders. Access any supplier page or unmapped page. Click Search Order and click on the metric selector and select one metric. Input the corresponding information in the input box and click the OK button. The order that matches your search will appear on the page and you can process it right away. When you want to narrow displayed orders according to your needs, it's a good idea to utilize the Filter tool. Click Filter to open the Filter Order card. Locate date, country, time zone or flags and choose your wanted options. Click Confirm. The page will show you the orders that are filtered by your selected metrics. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!